Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgie, and this is... Right, here we go. HEIDEVOLK. Could be a song called... There's no way I'm getting... No way. Right, here's how my English mouth wants to pronounce this. Als die dude weer naar ons lacht. So Mark Blau, who requested this, is currently wetting his pants laughing because of my terrible pronunciation. And I think he may have suggested this song just for that reason, just because of my now almost legendary mangling of words I can't pronounce, band names I can't pronounce. You know what? No, I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to find out how you say this. Yeah, I'll show you. HEIDEVOLK, als de dude near... bollocks. HEIDEVOLK, als de dude weer naar ons lacht. That's probably still not right, but it's as close as I'm getting. Anyway, this is a song way back, 2012, so it's 10 years old now, good heavens, off this album by HEIDEVOLK. HEIDEVOLK. Oh god, I didn't look that word up. Let's go with Batavi. So, yeah, Dutch band. Not heard it. Pagan metal, I believe. So, that puts certain preconceived ideas into my head. I think it's time to find out. Thanks, Mark. You really put me on the spot. He's been requesting this for about a year, by the way, everyone, and I've been completely ignoring him.
Weer naar ons lacht. En aan de vaten begeleidt ons in ons broederschap. Wezen sluit u bij ons aan als Utrechtse opgeraakt. Beschuldigd door de dwazen, als de loonwind weer splijt. Op ieder pad naar voren, verland voor ons gelijk. Aanschouwers op van ons broederschap. Zullen bezwijken als de dood weer naar ons lacht. Voor hem staan wij en geef mij kracht. Gun mij de vraag waar ik zo lang op heb gewacht. Nu ken ik geen genade, het is de waanzin die mij blijft. Hoor de klanken van het zwarte slag. Verbleek niet in angst als de dood weer naar ons lacht. En aan de vaten begeleidt ons in ons broederschap. Wezen sluit u bij ons aan als Zuid-Romeinse onverwacht. Mijn strijdred laat ik je sfeer. Het bloed leeft aan mijn handen, het is de waanzin die mij drijft. Rookbom ziet alles branden, door het drijven in de Rijn. Het vuil zit in mijn wonden, ik heb anderen op de kracht. De tijd is nu gekomen, en dat de dood weer naar ons lacht.
Cool. Do you start with the bad stuff and then work on to the good stuff? Let's start with the bad stuff. So, the mix is really odd. The drums are just not there. The guitars are so overpowering. That even when the drummer's doing his double bass stuff, but the guitar's doing the same thing, and the guitar is so high in the mix that you can only tell the double bass thing's doing its thing because the guitar is doing it as well. If that makes sense? The drums are really like, hello? You can hear the snare. So he could have sat there and done that. I know he couldn't really, because that's not how music works. I mean, for the mix and everything, it wouldn't sound the same if the drums weren't there. That's not what I'm saying. But you can't pick them out. So that's my biggest criticism of this. I was like, it's very, very sort of top heavy. Because you could hear the singer okay and everything. It was just the drums had just been pushed way to the back. Oh, look, my hand's gone. Oh, it's like magic. David Copperfield, eat your heart out. So, however, having said that, it's a really good, solid, good, solid metal song that chugs along like a steam train, isn't it? Never lets up. It's got a catchy melody, and I have to go off these things because you'll be surprised to hear I don't speak Dutch. I know after my flawless pronunciation of this song earlier on, you would think that I did, but I do not. So I don't know what the words are. So I've got melodies and I've got metal and whatever to kind of does it do it for me. And if you watch this channel, I have loads of songs in lots of languages, and I have my iPod is a very weird eclectic mix of music from all over the world, and the thing that is, a voice is just another instrument to me, if you see what I mean. So yes, there are songs that have amazing words and you can sing along and all of that, but if it's in another language, the voice just becomes another instrument. And in this case, it has its own melody, of course, and it was quite a good one. And I can kind of get the intent. The video obviously gives me some clues. So what I get out of it is like a good, solid metal song with slight mixing issues. So there you go. So thanks, Mark. I'm sure that was worth it just to hear me try to pronounce all of those words. Should we have another go? Als die dude weer naar ons lacht. See, I practically speak Dutch now. It's amazing. I don't know how I do it. Google Translate had nothing to do with it, obviously. I'll see you soon. Let me know what you think. Probably no Dutch people are coming back to my channel. Goodbye.